Hi guys, I ordered these two books today. Uh, Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus. This is how it looks. I heard a lot of good things about this, especially for husband and wife relationship, to improve relationship, or if you are looking to marry, if you have problems and all. This is a very good book to learn about women or men. And this is a Atomic Habits. This is a book of self improvement book. So look forward to reading this today. The next few weeks, I hope to read this one. Have you read these books? If you have read these books, please comment in the comment section and tell me how it is.